Today, I'm going to tell you everything you want to know about these two travel adapters. They are the most popular ones on Amazon. I've used both of them. I'm going to walk you through the pros, the cons, what I like, what I don't like. They look very, very similar right over here off the bat, but there are some definitely subtle differences that might sway your opinion based on what you are. If you travel, getting power is and having devices like this super important. This is not something you want to have to worry about when you finally get to that destination. So we got the Epicka here, Epicka, and we got Hero Travel Supply. We'll take a look at the Hero Travel Supply one first and then get into Epicka one right over here. So the Hero Supply one right over here, is going to work in 100 countries, which is really nice. It already has the built-in stuff right over here. You don't have to worry about changing out any plugs or doing any of that. I've definitely had travel adapters in the past where they basically give you 7 plugs. You have to take a case with you. This is not the case with this. This is super compact, super lightweight, which I really enjoy. This can be used on dual voltage devices. You can use a hair dryer in here if it is less than 10 amps. So just know that. You could use this in 100 plus countries. To use this is super simple. You literally just pick what you want. You got the EU up here, USA and Australia, and the UK down here. Literally just push this out, and you want to make sure you push it all the way so it locks in. So it doesn't go anywhere. And then if you want to put it back in, we're just going to slide it in like this. This is 20 watts right over here. You do have two USB C's right over here and a USB over here. So you can charge up to 5 devices on this one right over here with the two USB-A, and then you have the two outlets that you can kind of work with over there as well, and then whatever you want to put in here. And it does actually charge devices really fast, which I was kind of surprised. I thought maybe if you had a travel adapter, maybe it doesn't just go as fast because you're adapting. But I kind of felt like the speeds of the charging were exactly like it is with a normal power block. So I really appreciate this. I've charged my laptop with this, I've charged an iPad with this. And just having the other slots right over here. And I do appreciate that is more USB-Cs because I have more of those now. I do have a lot of Apple products and don't have a lot of USB. Let's jump to the Epicka one right over here. This one is a little different, so we're going to take a closer look right over here. This is what the front of this one looks like right over here. Works a little similarly. We'll get into the pros and the cons in a second. So we have the EU over here, the UK, and the USA. And you're just going to push that out. You're going to want to make sure it snaps. These don't go all the way. So that's just something to note. And to get this back, you got to flip this over and push that in. For UK, it's same idea here. So just note that you don't slide them all the way through and pulling them back right over here. That's how I originally thought it worked. It doesn't work like that. So you just got to use this right over here and push back in. With this one over here, we have the 75 watts, and we're going to have 3 USB-C and then 2 USB. So one over here and then one on the flip side over here. So this one is kind of designed nicely because if it is sitting just like this, your wires are kind of going off. So your USB-C wires could just go straight down, the USB could go to the right, and the USB could go to the left. So I kind of really like how they did the design on that. I think that was a really nice change. This one, we'll get into the pros and cons in a second. So that's kind of this one right over here and how that one was designed. This works in all the major countries as well. Now, going head to head with these, what is kind of the differences, the pros, the cons? I mean, you could probably either get either one of these. I do travel a bunch, so I'm usually with someone, so we each kind of have our own. That's kind of how we got here. This Epica one also comes with this like little travel case as well, if you were into that. So the Hero Travel Supply, definitely lighter, more compact, smaller. If you kind of look at them head to head, you'll see it is definitely bigger right over there. Definitely more weight to it as well. and a little longer. So if you're kind of wanting to look for something more compact, works in a lot of different countries, over 100, this will probably be the one for you. If you're looking for more power, this is the so we'll just do that. This is probably gonna be the one for you. That is why this one is heavier. You could do more. You have more USB C ports. Um, and then the USB, you got two of them over there. So you got five different ports on this one. So if you're charging more devices, this might be a better fit for you versus this one right over here. Um, if you're going for like a quick trip or something, and three devices, like I don't know how many devices you actually need. I feel like this does the trick for me in most cases, but that's kind of the big difference for this. I also like things that are less bulky, and this one is less bulky, so that's going to be the big difference between the two of these. So if you're looking for something more compact and don't really care, this has the 20 voltage or the 20 um watts. This has the 75 watts. That's kind of the difference in the heaviness of this. So if you're looking for something more compact, this one is gonna be for you because it's lighter, easier to just carry. I literally just this in my backpack. This one right over here, you're gonna notice there is some weight to it, but it can charge more devices. It just really depends on what you're looking for. Can't go wrong with either one of these. I hope you find the right travel adapter for you. If you find this video helpful, give it the thumbs up.